Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make Special Champorado. It's special because we're going to use fresh milk to boil the rice, and then we're going to use chocolate chips to make it chocolatey. And we're going to add some coffee to bring out the chocolate flavor of our champorado. So for this recipe, we need 1 liter of full cream milk, 300 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of rice, and 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. So first, we will cook the rice with the milk. For the milk, you can play around. You can use soy milk, almond milk, or any kind of milk that you would like, or even evaporated milk. When the rice is almost cooked, you can add your chocolate chips and instant coffee. So let's now add our chocolate chips and our instant coffee. Just continue to mix it. Make sure to mix it all the time so that it won't burn at the bottom. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water or milk to this pot. For the chocolate chips, you can also use tablea, dark chocolate, or any kind of chocolate. You can also use cocoa powder for this recipe. So whatever is in your pantry, you can use this at your convenience. So if it's already thick and the rice is still not yet cooked, you can add more water. Let's add a little bit. So our champorado recipe is done. You don't have to add sugar on this recipe because it's already sweet from the semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can add milk upon serving, or some sugar if you need to add more sweetness to this recipe. But for us, this is already good. So here's the finished product of our champorado recipe. It's very good for people who have sweet tooth, but if you don't have sweet tooth, you can just simply change the semi-sweet chocolate chips to pure tablea or dark chocolate chips. So I hope you enjoyed this special champorado recipe. Remember, if you don't have a sweet tooth, just omit the semi-sweet chocolate chips and change it to tablea. Enjoy and stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video if you have enjoyed this recipe. And when it cools down, it becomes thicker.